Open the trunk to gain access.
Remove the panel by prying it off. Remove the fasteners by twisting them.
We recommend wearing gloves when changing your lights. The oils on your fingers can create hot spots and cause the bulb to burn out prematurely.
Pry out to release the fastener.
Remove the remaining fasteners. Remove the last fastener.
All right, so now that we have those couple fasteners out, we should be able to just lift, kind of pull back on that like that, and then we can kind of pull that off.
Pull back the trunk lining to gain access.
There are 3 bolts that secure the housing to the vehicle.
Remove the bolts by turning them counterclockwise. Pry the housing away from the vehicle first, then pull it out. Remove the bulb assemblies by twisting them counterclockwise. Now you can replace your housing with a new one. Replace the bulb assemblies by twisting them clockwise. Reinsert the bulb housing into the vehicle. Replace the bolts by turning them clockwise. Fold the trunk lining to its original position. Align the panel with the body before securing it to the vehicle. It's important to make sure it's set properly, otherwise it won't attach correctly. Replace the fastener by pushing it back in. Replace the fasteners by twisting them. Remove the bulb assemblies by twisting them. Replace the bulb assemblies by twisting them. Replace the fastener by pushing it back in. Replace the fastener by pushing it back in. Replace the fastener by twisting them. Replace the fasteners 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 by twisting them.
We recommend changing your bulbs in pairs. If one bulb is burnt out, its counterpart bulb is likely near the end of its life as well. Bulbs get dimmer by 20% over time, which is another great reason to change both bulbs at once.
Replace the fastener by pushing it back in. Replace the fasteners by twisting them.